Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can create purchase orders on QuickFile accounting software. To create a purchase order, we need to go to Purchases section, and at the bottom there's Purchase Orders, and click on Enter New Purchase Order. From here, select your supplier name or add a new supplier by clicking on New. So I will have an Fashion Limited. Purchase order will be automatically created by system, and you can select a date when this purchase order is dated. Select category, so in my case it's general purchases, and add a description, for example, product 1, quantity 25, and I have purchased 10. If you need another line to add, click on this plus icon and you can add as many lines as you wish. Also, I have product 2 and price of that one was 38 and I have ordered 5. If you do not need any of these lines, click on this cross and it will be deleted. We can provide the project tag and also add additional notes, and click on Save Details. Now, when I go back to my purchase list, so Purchases, View Purchase Orders, here is my purchase order issued to Fashion Limited and it's currently in draft status. So click on this purchase order and we can send it out, print or download if we wish to. So if you click Send, I can flag this purchase order as a send. Okay, so now if I go to Purchases, this order has been sent out. I can still edit, amend and resend if required by clicking on Modify. So in this episode I showed you how you can create purchase orders on QuickFile accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my QuickFile tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.